So stamp paper can be of two types. First one can be the non-judicial stamp paper, and the other one can be the judicial stamp paper. So the content for all these affidavits will be the same. The purpose of this affidavit will be the same. What legal language has to be used will be the same, whether it is printed on a non-judicial stamp paper or a judicial stamp paper. So mostly what happens is, every now and then in any proceeding, whether it be a civil proceeding, whether it be a criminal proceeding, the plaintiffs or the complainants, the respondents or the defendants, or even the witnesses need to submit affidavits every now and then. So this affidavit which is submitted in the court will always be on judicial stamp papers, which is governed by Court Fees Act. All right, so that is a different league of affidavit. And the other one is the affidavit which is printed on non-judicial stamp paper, which is submitted to your company before any LIC authority, any government body, any passport authority, or anywhere in your society. So if you want to submit an affidavit over these other than courts, then it is always printed on non-judicial stamp paper. So why non-judicial stamp paper, judicial stamp paper? Because they attach a certain value to the legal affidavit which you make. It is some kind of a stamp duty which you pay to the government according to the case you are referring to. All right. So the judicial stamps is always governed by the Court Fees Act. That is all the different proceeding. And the non-judicial stamp, if you want to determine the value of your affidavit on the non-judicial stamp paper, it is governed by Indian Stamp Act or the respective state stamp act. I am from Bombay. I am from Maharashtra. So I'm going to refer Maharashtra State Stamp Act. All right. So it is very important that wherever you are submitting the affidavit, it should be valued properly according to the Stamp Act, according to the each state Stamp Act. All right. So this is the affidavit. This is the required stamps which are needed to be bought for the affidavit. All right. So this non-judicial stamp paper has got a minimum value. Minimum value is 100 rupees according to Maharashtra State Stamp Act, which can be appreciated to 100, 500, 1000, or depending upon the value of the case. All right. And then it will be determined. Mostly, if an affidavit is being executed, it is mostly 99.99%. It is executed on a 100 rupees stamp paper only. The entire proceeding is then followed.